Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: an active post office account, a registered mobile number, and your ID. First, request the Internet Banking Activation PIN if you don't have one, go to the branch, or wait for the SMS. Once you have the PIN, open the official post office site or app on a secure device. Make sure the browser is updated. Then choose Register or Activate Internet Banking, enter your account number and mobile, and send for OTP to start the setup. Once you receive the OTP, enter it immediately. OTPs usually expire in 3 to 5 minutes. After verification, create a strong password. Use at least 8 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols so your account stays secure. Make sure to set security questions and confirm your email address when prompted. This helps recover access if needed. Also, register your device if offered. It reduces future OTP steps. If you see any mismatch in name or account number, after activation, log in and review your balance and recent transactions. Add beneficiaries and validate them with the required OTPs before transferring funds. Once done, set transaction limits and enable SMS or email alerts for every debit. This prevents surprises. Always log out and close the browser or app. If something fails, clear the app cache or browser cookies and try again. Request a fresh OTP or password reset if needed. If problems persist, contact the post office help desk or visit the branch for manual verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.